How to fix TikTok comments not showing. So if you're facing a problem with TikTok comments, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok, now you can simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then simply go for the upper right corner, which has that 3 bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, and then scroll down, and here you can go for free up space, and then go for clear under cache. And after clearing your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings, go for apps and notifications, and open up your TikTok application on your settings, and then go for storage and cache. And here on the right side you will have clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store, go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And after searching here, if you have an update option, then simply tap on update and update your application. But if you don't have an update, then the next fix is to uninstall your application, and after tapping on uninstall, you can again install it from the same app, like from the Play Store or the App Store, and then you can log into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will get restart option. Simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.